Hey guys, Dane with Import Image here, and today on horsepower upgrades that won't break the bank, as you can see, we are talking about top mount intercoolers for the 22 Plus WRX. So this is just what we have in stock here. There are other options on the market. One that I wish we had here was the Cobb top mount intercooler. That's regarded to be one of the best top mounts there, but sadly we did not have one here in-house that we could put to the test alongside these other brands. But these are all great brands. Also, we have GrimmSpeed, ETS, AMS, and Process West. So starting with GrimmSpeed. This is the black top mount intercooler. Cool thing about the VB top mount intercooler options from GrimmSpeed is that there's no price change for the color of the top mount. So you could do raw or anodized black. They both go for $899. This is a direct bolt-on and go, no modifications needed or required. They're usually plentiful in stock. Excuse me, a few things that you can expect from GrimmSpeed is excellent fitment. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. And it also looks pretty cool too. These are Billet in tanks, which looks pretty sweet. When you get up to like looking at it there in person, you can really see the machining marks and stuff like that. I'm kind of a nerd for that stuff, so maybe that's just me talking too much, but I really like this one. This one measures at 7 inches height, 19 inches width, and about 3¼ inches girth. So this is, like I said, a direct bolt-on and go kind of application for your VB WRX. GrimmSpeed says no tune required, so just pop it on and go. That being said, if you do want the most performance out of your car, just get it tuned. We work closely with Clark Turner of Clark Turner Tuning, so he does a lot of e-tunes and can really do a great job getting your car dialed in. That being said, looking a little bit closer, the GrimmSpeed top mount intercooler has 24 charge rows. So compared to the rest of these, it is the lowest number of charge rows out of all the other intercoolers we're talking about today. But does that mean it's a bad option? No, not at all. That just means it's a great bolt-on and go kind of thing for those of you that aren't trying to really max out your car. So next up, the ETS top mount intercooler. Anything that has this name stamped on it, you can expect great stuff from. So ETS, their top mount intercoolers start out at $895. That is for the raw aluminum version. A couple things about ETS. All of this is handmade, which is really cool. There are 2 billet pieces in here, and that's the flanges for the charge pipe on the back side of the intercooler and for the throttle body right here. So ETS, they have 34 charge rows, pretty sweet. This intercooler measures out to be 7 inches height, 21 inches width, and 4 inches of girth. 4 inches. So with this top mount intercooler, a few things you can expect from ETS is great fitment, great craftsmanship, and then also, you know, you can get this thing in a bunch of different colors. They have a really cool anodizing program where you can do black, gold, blue, red, you name it. So we keep a lot of the ETS stuff here. It's one of my personal favorites. So if you buy ETS, you'll be a happy camper, plain and simple. Next up is the AMS top mount intercooler. The folks at AMS, just like with ETS, anything with this name stamped on it, you can expect great quality, great fitment. The AMS intercooler, out of all of these, is the most cost-effective of the bunch. This intercooler is $729 and some change. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, just like the rest of these. It's a direct bolt-on and go. Kind of one thing that stands apart from the previous two that we talked about is that this uses a cast in tank. So compared to these, where the ETS uses a sheet metal and GrimmSpeed, which uses a billet, you can see it has kind of like a more rough texture on here. That doesn't mean a bad thing by any means. That's just probably one of the ways that AMS was able to keep the cost of this down. AMS measures at 7½ inches height, a little bit less than 21 inches width, and you can also expect 4 inches of girth with this one too. It's pretty sweet. So that being said, AMS actually has a lot of charge rows coming in at 38. Now, going to the Process West. Looking at this setup, one thing that you can automatically see that's different from the other intercoolers is that Process West includes a charge pipe. Now, this isn't the charge pipe that goes to the turbo. This replaces the factory system with an aftermarket coupler kind of thing that will attach to the other charge pipe. Process West, anything with Process West on it is great stuff. Process West is made in Australia. Intercoolers has really been one of Process West's things for quite a while. This intercooler uses cast-in tanks as well. And for measurements, this is 7.5 inches tall, 20.5 inches wide, and then 4 3/8 worth of girth. So this is the girthiest intercooler out of the ones here on this table. And also, Process West is the most expensive on this table too, at just a little bit over $1,000. So realistically, if you are a VB WRX owner and you are looking to upgrade your top mount intercooler, you can't go wrong with any of these because these will all support what the factory turbocharger will produce. So upgrading your intercooler compared to your plastic one is always a surefire way to not just make more power, but make more consistent power. Because what makes power? Cool air. What does your factory top mount plastic intercooler do? It makes hot air. So cool air, power, hot air, no power. It's a no-brainer. So that being said, we keep all these brands in stock. Even if they're not here in-house, we do have a killer distribution network that keeps a good bit of stock too. So if you guys are looking for a top mount intercooler for your VB WRX, trying to make a little bit more power, holler at me. We can get you quoted. Mostly everything ships same day if you get the order in early enough, and you never know, I might be able to sign the box for you. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Next one will be coming up soon. ImportImageRacing.com.